Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So with tax season approaching us, I'm going to show you guys how to find your tax forms on Coinbase. So on the Coinbase app at the top left, you'll see 3 lines. So click on those 3 lines. And from here, you should see your profile picture and a couple options. You're going to click on profile and settings. So after you click on profile and settings, you're going to scroll down a little bit. Under the account section, you should see multiple options again. One of those options is taxes. So we're going to click on taxes and it will just take a second to load up here. Okay, here it's just telling us last day to file taxes is April 18th. So at the top, you see multiple options: summary, activity, documents. So we're going to click on documents. And right here, you should see a bunch of different documents here. You know, your gain loss report, your raw transaction report, your 1099. So this is all of the tax forms that your accountant will need to file whatever profit or losses that you gained last year. So be sure to download these files, send it to your accountant, or download them to print them. However, you get your documentation to your accountant. So I would highly recommend seeking a professional to file your taxes if you're involved in cryptocurrency in any way. So if this video helped you out, be sure to hit that like button. I'll see you guys later.